Congratulations on taking your first step towards reaching your biggest goals. We can't wait to get to know you and for you to meet some of the team members that are going to be here to support you every step of the way. So just throw out any insecurities you may have because we're going to do this together. It's going to be an absolute blast. So what does it mean to be a part of this growing group of traders from across the country who are working towards providing a better financial future for their families? Well, it means you are a goal-getter.
A goal-getter is a new breed of stock trader, informed, fearless, and free to make their own investment decisions. Goal-getters always take risks and never gamble. They know their trades, limit their losses, and they play to win. Goal-getters don't dream, they pull their goals into reality. They believe it's their God-given obligation to achieve. And guess what? Goal-getters honor God. Goal-getters never stop, they persist. When they get to one goal, they set another. Because for goal-getters, money is not the goal. Making a difference is the goal, and money is their tool. Goal-getters are not detached traders. They get involved. They build legacies for their families. They help their friends. They transform churches, businesses, communities, and countries. No goal is too big. No cause is too small. Goal-getters change the world.